Potato is one of the most important tuber vegetables. And people consume it all year. Potato tubers vary in size, shape, color, depth of eyes, and other important characteristics. A potato powder manufacturing project can be started in areas where the main raw material, the potato, is readily available. The protection of foodstuffs from molds and bacteria is a major concern of food technologists. It is estimated that processing and preserving potato powder manufacturing could save approximately 25% of the potatoes that are spoiled due to a variety of factors. Potato cultivation is widespread in India. As a result, making potato powder from raw potatoes is a good idea. As a result, the potato powder manufacturing project is an excellent opportunity for a new startup entrepreneur with a low capital investment. Market potential for potato powder. The potato powder is meant only for export, although the domestic market for dehydrated and powdered potato is there. More than 70% of the total indigenous production of potato powder is exported to various countries. The potato powder is distributed in bulk to manufacturers of various snack foods, as well as restaurants and hotels. The major demand is in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Nagpur, and more. At the moment, demand exceeds supply, and this is likely to increase with the growing popularity of snack foods and other items that use potato powder as an ingredient. Also, it has good export potential. With a small amount of startup capital, anyone can start a potato powder processing unit. As a result, we must conclude that the potato powder manufacturing business is an ideal opportunity for a new entrepreneur with small investment. Space for potato powder manufacturing. For the manufacture of potato powder, the area where potatoes are produced more, it would be good to put this plant in that area. This will save the biggest expense of transport, which will reduce the cost of production and increase profits. It is important to have a place for water, electricity and drainage at the place where the plant is to be installed. And the surrounding environment should be pure. Investment for potato powder manufacturing. The manufacture of potato powder necessitates a moderate capital investment. Fixed costs and working capital costs are the two most important investment categories. So, to start the business, the entrepreneur needs to forget to get insurance before starting work. Raw material and machinery for potato powder manufacturing. The main raw material for manufacturing potato powder is potatoes. Others include packaging materials and other materials that are required on a monthly basis. Many types of machines will be required to make potato powder, which is a boiler, pulverizer, dryer machine, potato peeling machine, slicing machine, electronic weighing scale and sealing machine will be required. Visit your local wholesale machine dealer and inquire about any suppliers who sell potato processing machinery and equipment. You can also conduct an internet search to locate some. Manufacturing process of potato powder. The first step is to prepare your potatoes by peeling and washing them. You could also mash them at this stage to make them easier to dry. Some people choose to slice them instead. After washing and slicing, you need to dry out your potatoes. There are 3 ways to do this: spread them out in the sun to dry or use your oven or a dehydrator. Since you have lots of potatoes, it is advisable to use a dehydrator because sun drying takes about 20 hours or more while oven drying takes about 10 hours or more. Remember that potatoes are made up of 80% water. Investing in a dehydrator would save you a lot of time and effort. Slicing your potatoes makes drying faster. After drying them out and they are crisp, it is time to blend them. Load them into a blender in considerable bits until they've been blended to a fine powder. After blending the potato to a fine texture, they're ready to use. Package in airtight containers or small nylon packs, depending on your brand choice. After this stage, your potato flour is ready to be distributed and marketed. Marketing for potato powder. Potato powder can be sold locally at hotels, restaurants, fast food outlets, supermarkets, shopping malls and some more places. Also, people in cities and suburbs prefer to buy home supplies from online, so you can also sell from those online food stores. And you can earn a lot of profit in the form of foreign exchange from potato powder. There is more demand for potato powder abroad than in the local market. The United States imports the most potato powder from India. In fact, India exports half of all potato powder to the United States. Germany, Thailand, the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, Brazil, Japan, Pakistan, Australia, France, the Russian Federation, Nepal, Malaysia, Mexico, and New Zealand